Welcome to another episode at Teen Gen Talks, where the goal is to empower the youth of Glendale, connect youth to community resources, individuals, and organizations. I'm your host, Melissa.
And I'm Desiree. And today we are going to be making some Pom Pom Tote Bags. That's why we have our tote bags here. We have some yarn for the pom pom. We have paint and fabric glue and scissors and
And felt.
fabric, yeah. So watch along as we create our little pom pom tote bags. So instead of doing like full pom poms, we're just gonna make half pom poms because they don't have to be that big. So like our pom poms are kind of be like representations of like fruits, basically. So I'm gonna do like an orange, the blue for blueberries, red for cherries,
What's your favorite fruit?
raspberries.
Oh, me too.
Yeah.
I hate blueberries. It's weird.
There's some that I like, and then others I'm just like, they don't hit, you know?
Mm-hmm. I like bananas.
Bananas are good.
Bananas.
I like oranges, but I like tangerines more.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna have like different sizes? Or all the same size?
Maybe I should have done the orange bigger, huh? Instead of half. Maybe this is the one I do like full.
Mm-hmm.
And then the blueberries I will just do like half.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like,
Yeah.
what if it's just...
It's like better to do that.
Are you doing both?
Yeah, so for the orange one, I'm going to do, instead of a half pom-pom, I'm actually going to do a full pom-pom because I think, like, you know, oranges are slightly bigger than blueberries, so I'm going to do that. Or, you know what? It might not be an orange. It might be a tangerine because tangerines have little leaves, you know?
Tangerines are cute too.
Tangerines are cute.
So wait, so like this, right? Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect, right?
No, remember last time it wasn't, like, as perfect. I do think we realized that if we wanted it fluffier, we had to do more rounds.
Yes. You might not have enough red though.
Oh, yeah. Look at this. She's so cute.
Can I touch?
Yeah. Isn't it so cute?
I love these things. I feel like we should just we should have a pom pom contest. See how many we can make.
That would actually be pretty funny. This is so cute. I love
You know,
the
like
pom-pom.
30 minutes or something.
Yeah.
Because this is like okay,
And then you cut. I cut it. The excess, or like both of these too. I cut them short.
okay.
And then you open it up. Yeah, and then you take it apart to get your flip.
Oh, this thing, right? This.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, cute. So cute. Even though I can't believe that's half.
Yeah, this is half. It's kind of bigger than mine. I'm gonna do like a tangerine. So I guess with this step, you could get some green thread and like thread like stems, but I'm gonna paint like a little stem and then have some fabric for the leaf of this. And you can place it wherever you want. I'm gonna do, I don't know what green I should do.
I'm gonna use orange.
This? Yeah.
3 fruits, right?
Yeah, 3. However, I'm gonna do 3 too. I think I'm gonna do 2 oranges or 2 tangerines too. There we go. Oh, that is really green, actually.
So these are the small one. I'm gonna try this one. See if it. That's this is bigger because this.
And that's it. Oh, that hurt.
I was like, why isn't it like?
That's actually funny.
I was like, why isn't it there like yours?
Oh my god. That's hilarious. Actually.
How can I? Sorry, reaching over. Oh yeah, you could tell like there's like. It's not that funny enough. I don't think it's that much of a difference, but I used a lot of it.
Yeah.
But see, yours is a lot more. Yours is a lot more together than mine.
Is it really?
Yeah. Mine looks like hair. See,
Hair.
see, like
Maybe
mine.
it's the yarn though. I do think this is nice yarn.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, because yours looks like a pump, like right, like
Yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. See that? It looks like a
Cute.
pumpkin.
for Halloween.
It'll be like a pumpkin slash little thing. And, okay. I'm gonna use this fabric and I'm gonna cut like a little leaf. Let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna do 2 leaves.
I really do like these little pom-pom makers.
It's kind of addicting, if that makes
Yeah.
sense. Because it's like you want to keep on like doing like another pom-pom. Look! Isn't
so
that cute?
cute.
Oh, it's so cute. Well, the red one isn't that bad.
I should have done half of like.
The red, yeah, you probably could have done 2 maybe with the red.
Yeah,
one.
I just thought it wasn't that much.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, technically it wasn't that much.
Should I do like one more white?
Ooh, yeah, that'd be cute. Look how cute.
I really like the orange is really good.
Isn't this so cute, y'all? Like little tangerines.
You should put one more orange.
Yeah, one more orange here. But I kind of wanted like to put like a little blueberry like somewhere, like to balance it all out.
They're so tiny.
Or
And so
maybe
cute.
like I don't know. But I do want another orange, but I won't. I won't.
You
get
should
it.
do one more orange and like the blue. I think it would look really cute.
Right. Kind of obsessed with this.
I think I think you should also do the orange because
Yeah.
just
But
in
even,
case like
even like this blue contrast is pretty cute. Maybe like near it, you know.
yeah, because I feel like the orange like here or something.
Yeah,
or
like right there.
maybe here because like your hair will
Yeah.
like.
I
that
should
would
put like something like a tangerine quote.
I like tangerines. You do too.
No, like a you know like those tangerine like not tangerine
Tingle
quote.
hello. Tingle hello.
No, like, you know those stickers that we have that have like food puns? Maybe I could find a tangerine pun.
That'd be funny.
Yeah.
That would actually be, I will not disagree with that.
This is how mine is looking. Wait, that looks so cute on camera.
It does.
And then I'm gonna put like, oh, there we go. Oh wait, this is coming down. Maybe put
Desiree's favorite art project we've done.
I think it is because it's so simple.
I would do this again.
Right.
Leave it. You like this?
Leave it.
Leave it. You're probably gonna keep it. Leave it.
Okay, we're done with our tote bags.
Yes. Ready?
Ready?
Reveal.
Review. Look at that. It's so cute.
Oh, they're so cute.
It's so cute. I put happy and then she put happy 2.0.
I was scared that this is gonna fall off.
Yeah.
I think it has to stay.
Like dry a little. But yeah, that's our tote bags. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more YouTube videos from us. And also follow us on Spotify or Apple or wherever you get your podcasts from at Teen Gen Talks.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.